Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. OneGold.com offers a unique and convenient way to buy, sell, and hold precious metals. It distinguishes itself by providing a platform that seamlessly blends the tangible ownership of gold and silver with the accessibility of a digital platform. This means you can purchase physical bullion, knowing it's securely stored, and manage your holdings with the ease of online banking. OneGold partners with APMEX, a reputable and established precious metals dealer, guaranteeing the authenticity and quality of your investments. This partnership adds a layer of trust and security, ensuring you're dealing with a recognized leader in the precious metals industry. Through OneGold, you can diversify your portfolio with gold and silver, often seen as safe haven assets during times of economic uncertainty. The platform empowers you to take control of your financial future by offering a straightforward and transparent way to invest in precious metals. You can choose to have your metal shipped directly to you, offering the tangible satisfaction of owning physical bullion, or keep it securely stored within OneGold's network of highly secure vaults. This flexibility caters to diverse investment preferences and strategies. Furthermore, OneGold provides competitive pricing and regularly updates its rates to reflect market conditions, ensuring you're always getting a fair deal. Their user-friendly interface makes managing your precious metal portfolio simple and intuitive, even for those new to precious metal investing. With OneGold, you can easily track your holdings, monitor market fluctuations, and make informed decisions about buying and selling. By combining the security of physical ownership with the convenience of a digital platform, OneGold provides a compelling and modern approach to precious metal investing. They prioritize transparency and provide educational resources, helping investors understand the nuances of the precious metals market. OneGold offers a valuable service for both seasoned investors and those just beginning to explore the world of precious metals, offering a simplified and secure pathway to owning tangible assets. The platform's focus on accessibility and transparency makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to diversify their investment portfolio with gold and silver. So, check out OneGold.com today and explore the possibilities of precious metal investing.